So here's the thing about budget smartwatches. We usually expect compromises, right? But what if I told you there's a watch with a massive 1.6-inch AMOLED display, built-in GPS, 1000 nits of brightness, and 22 days of battery life for under 70 bucks? This is the Haylou Solar Ultra, and it's trying to prove that you don't need to spend hundreds to get a feature-packed smartwatch. We're talking 170 plus sport modes, 5 ATM water resistance, Bluetooth calling, voice assistant, and even local music storage. So let's find out if this budget beast actually delivers, or if those compromises are hiding somewhere. But if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more latest tech reviews and updates. Let's see what you get in the box. Pretty straightforward packaging here, nothing fancy, but everything's well protected. You've got the watch itself, a comfortable silicone strap that's already attached, a magnetic charging cable that snaps right on the back, and your usual quick start guide and warranty info. I'm testing the silver version here, but it also comes in black if you prefer something a bit more classic. The first impression? It's surprisingly light, and the build quality feels way better than I expected for 70 bucks. Let me get this on my wrist and we'll dive into the details. First impressions? This thing punches way above its weight class in terms of looks. It weighs just 56 grams without the strap, so it's super comfortable for all-day wear. You can actually sleep with this one on without feeling like you've got a brick strapped to your wrist. Now, here's where they got clever with materials. The bezel is made from zinc alloy, which gives it that premium metallic look and feel, while most of the body is actually matte plastic, but honestly, you'd be hard-pressed to tell just by looking at it. The matte finish is great because it resists fingerprints and smudges, keeping it looking clean. You've got 3 physical buttons on the right side. They're clicky and responsive, which is nice. Build quality, it's solid. 5 ATM water resistance means you can wear it swimming or on rainy days without worrying. Pretty clever for a budget smartwatch. Now the display is genuinely impressive for this price point. It's a 1.6-inch AMOLED panel with 480 by 480 pixel resolution, which makes everything super sharp and easy to read. But the real star here, that 1000 nits of peak brightness, you could still read everything perfectly even under direct sunlight. No squinting, no weird angles. It just works. The colors are vibrant, blacks are deep like you'd expect from AMOLED, and text is crisp. There's no automatic brightness adjustment, which would have been nice, but manual adjustment is easy enough. One cool feature, it's got a 60 Hz refresh rate, which you don't often see in budget watches. Makes scrolling through menus feel smooth and responsive, almost like using a phone. And the always-on display works great, though it'll drain the battery faster if you keep it enabled all the time. So, what makes this watch special beyond the basics? Let's start with GPS. This has full multi-satellite positioning with GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, and Beidou support. What does that mean in real life? Fast, accurate tracking, whether you're in the city or out on trails. Plus, you get a built-in compass and barometer for outdoor activities. Local music storage is another standout feature. You can actually store music directly on the watch and pair it with TWS earbuds via Bluetooth, so you can go for a run without your phone and still jam to your playlist. They've also included a built-in recorder, which is surprisingly handy. The voice assistant integration is solid, and you can check weather, make calls, or open phone apps. Speaking of calls, the Bluetooth calling works really well thanks to the built-in speaker and microphone. Audio quality is decent for quick conversations. Out of the 170 plus sport modes available, you've got everything from common activities like running and cycling to more specific ones like yoga and basketball. The platform also features a selection of built-in games to keep you entertained, especially when you're bored and looking for a quick distraction. Health tracking covers all the essentials. 24/7 heart rate monitoring with abnormal heart rate alerts, blood oxygen monitoring, comprehensive sleep tracking that analyzes your sleep stages and quality, stress monitoring to help you relax when needed, and menstrual cycle tracking for women. The optical sensor is their next-gen version, and accuracy is pretty good for a budget watch. Obviously not medical grade, but solid for everyday fitness tracking. You get step counting, calorie burn estimates, and detailed workout stats for all those 170 plus sport modes. Swimming tracking is surprisingly detailed too. It can track your strokes, laps, and swimming efficiency, which is impressive at this price point. Just remember to drain the water after swimming using that waterproof lock release feature. The watch pairs with the Haylou Fun app, which is available for both iOS and Android. The app is clean and straightforward, easy to set up and navigate. You can customize watch faces from a huge library, dive into detailed health stats, and adjust all your settings. The watch face customization is great. You can even create custom faces using your own photos. Battery life is a major highlight. I'm getting around 12 days with typical usage. That's with 24-hour heart rate monitoring, notifications, and occasional workouts. Turn on battery saver mode and you can push it to 22 days. Though realistically, most people won't use that. Charging takes about 2 hours with the magnetic charger. That's basically once or twice a month charging. Fantastic for a smartwatch. Now, it's not perfect. The mostly plastic build, while functional, doesn't feel as premium as watches costing 3 times as much, but that's expected. There's no automatic brightness adjustment, which can be annoying when moving between indoors and outdoors. App selection is limited. You're not getting a massive ecosystem of third-party apps here. No Google Pay or similar payment options either. Priced at around $70 or around 4,000 pesos. That puts it way below competitors like the Apple Watch SE, Samsung Galaxy Watch, or even mid-range options from Garmin and Fitbit. Is it worth it? Look, if you want a feature-rich smartwatch on a serious budget, this is an absolute steal. The display is fantastic, battery life is excellent, build quality exceeds expectations, and you're getting GPS and comprehensive health tracking that actually works. The Haylou Solar Ultra proves that budget doesn't have to mean bad. For casual fitness enthusiasts, outdoor activity lovers, or anyone who just wants a reliable smartwatch without breaking the bank, this might be one of the best value propositions in the market right now. Let me know what you think in the comments. And if you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.